Good evening, everybody. Well, Miss Lily has decided why I do not know, but this side is greener, I guess you could say, than the other side of the room. So she has slowly but surely made her way over here, even though I've been consistently telling her she is too big for over here. Lily, of course, does not care. You can see her up there. She's tasting all the little snakes that spend their time up here. Oh, I'm pretty close. I didn't realize I was so close. I have bought these amazing little handout, although I can't get much higher than, but my arm is fully stretched, guys, so far. But whoa, let's turn around and let's see if we can see. Oh, are you guys getting dizzy yet? Because I'm really starting to get dizzy at this particular point. Hello? Hello, you? What are you doing? What are you doing up there? You're too big. You're way too big for up there. You do know that. Don't lick the lens because you'll smudge it. You will? Hey. Very, very curious. I'll just move back a bit so we can see it a bit better rather than just see that big tongue coming out. But she doesn't care that she's too big for over here. If Lily can get there and Lily can explore it, that is exactly what Lily is going to do, no matter what I actually tell her to do myself. So I've added actually a few bits, as you'll see, as brightness comes right into your face there with colours. But I added these great big ropes, which of course are for dogs to grab and pull and play with and so forth. But I decided that they would make incredibly good climbers, especially. I'm moving, guys. I'm moving all over the place. But great climbers for my little snakes to enjoy. And Ishi has been the only one out, actually, who has explored them thus far. I've also put, a little hammock here for them to come and lay in if they choose to. Just another place to explore, guys. It's just about adding things for them to be curious about. Just another form of enrichment, and new enrichment, not old enrichment. I mean, I guess Lily gets a little bit bored with over there all of the time. I personally don't, blame her at all. And she wants to come over and check this particular area out and see what might be new or what might be going on. I'm going to take my thongs off. I was just outside for a minute, and prior to going, Lily was right over there with her head hanging down, and she was all up in here. And I guess I was outside for 10 minutes, and by the time I got back, she had decided to make her way all the way over here, so I'm going to climb up there and and check her out. And what are you doing? This I can repeat it because Lily really does know this is kind of out of bounds, but big snakes can stretch a long way, and you will see just how tight a grip she has just on that tiny little stick there, well, bamboo stick, and that's all she needs to keep herself feeling very, very comfortable at this particular point. That's all they need. That's their grounding. That's their balance. That's their support. That prehensile tail is like a hand for them. It's definitely what they rely on a lot when it comes to climbing, getting from one place to the next place. They use it so much, and I watch them use it a lot, and it is just like a hand at the end of them. So, Lil, do you think that's a great place to be, or what? Hey? It's not really a place for you, darling. But anyway, guys, I just thought I'd flick the camera on while she was being cheeky. And over this side of the room, which of course, not very good for the fan, you could say. And I'm not a fan of it being over this side either. But what do you do? So guys, take care of yourself, family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. And here comes the rest of her. You're getting game there, Lil. You're letting go. You're letting go. Oh, my arm was getting tired there. Almost. Almost. Oh, come on. A bit slow. And she's just got to get more of her own body over here before she'll completely let go with that tail. And there it goes. And here I go. Ciao.